I had this feeling that though the path is correct, but the direction is not. So I felt like I'm betraying myself. I felt like I am negotiating the sense of integrity I have. And now, after these 2 weeks, I got my answers, and I can see that there is an ease and there is a sense of congruency or attunement between what I think I need to do and what I'm actually doing. You know, that gap. It's not like I filled the gap, but I recognize what that gap is, and I see the path clearly as to what I can do to fill that gap. So I can literally breathe easier and be more authentic, even in my personal